Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your friendly health tech overthinker. If someone says golden hour, I immediately panic and check the clock.
And I'm Joshua, the guy who hears AI in healthcare and thinks, okay, but can it save lives fast?
Today's story actually says yes. In India, new AI-powered medical tools are helping doctors diagnose strokes faster, inside the critical golden hour, when every minute literally matters.
Exactly. Stroke treatment is a race against time. Miss that window and the damage can be permanent. These AI systems scan brain images, spot stroke patterns, and alert doctors almost instantly.
Which is huge because traditionally, diagnosis can take precious time. Human eyes, multiple scans, back and forth decisions. Meanwhile, the clock is ticking.
AI basically says, nope, I've seen this before. It flags a problem, prioritizes patients, and helps doctors decide treatment faster, whether it's clot-busting drugs or emergency procedures.
And here's what I love. This isn't about replacing doctors, it's about giving them super speed, like a medical sidekick that never blinks.
Especially in India, where stroke cases are rising and hospitals are overloaded, faster diagnosis means better recovery chances and fewer long-term disabilities.
Some hospitals are already reporting quicker treatment times and better outcomes just by letting AI handle the first alert. That's powerful.
It's also a reminder that AI doesn't always mean robots and doom. Sometimes it just means better timing.
Well said. In stroke care, timing is everything, and AI might just be the difference between recovery and regret.
That's today's takeaway. When technology meets urgency, lives can change.
That's all from Pente Spotlight. Stay curious, stay informed, and trust science when seconds matter.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because knowledge, just like treatment, works best when shared.